Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share how will be the Saturn transit into the Pisces will be going to affect for the Virgo Lagna people, what all they can expect during this time, and what all things that they need to take care of, health wise, career wise, finances wise, for students, as well as what all remedies you should do to overcome the challenges. Before we start, first you need to understand that what exactly Saturn is. Saturn is a time. Saturn is a planet. It is a malefic planet that helps you to remove the past life karmic from your life. So whenever the Saturn enters in your life in the form of Shani ki Sade Sati, Dhaiya, or any type of particular transit in your life, that means that you have to pay off your karmas that you have done in the past life. So whenever any type of transit took place, especially of these malefic planets, so people have lot of fear that it is going to affect me negatively, but it's not the case. Actually, it's a myth. Being it's a malefic planet and it's a very strict planet, the way of teaching will be very different. But it has been noticed that in these karmic dasha only a person can get the great success in the life with lot of hard work. So few things that you need to take care of whenever you are going through such transit or you are going through such dashas is, like, Saturn is a strict teacher. Saturn is a planet of the time, which is a organized, persistency, discipline, and if you follow integrity in your life, then Saturn effect on you most of the time will be positive only. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So for the Virgo Lagna people, Saturn is going to sit for you in your seventh house. Actually, in your birth chart, Saturn is ruling the sixth and the fifth house, but now it is going to sit. This actually makes the Raj Yoga, because for you, Saturn is ruling your fifth house and now going to sit in your seventh house. So there is a very high possibility for the Virgo Lagna people. You are going to get promoted during this time in the current organization, as well as if you are looking for a job change, then there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job successfully. But as it is connected to the Saturn, which is a planet of the persistency, patience, discipline, and being it is so organized, so you need to take care of that. Whenever any such type of transit take place in the starting, it can give you ups and downs in your career, problem in your career, pressure in your career, but take that problem and the pressure things positively, because going forward, Saturn is going to give you the success in the career also. As I told you that fifth house planet sitting in the seventh house makes a Raj Yoga. So for you, career wise, it will be a Raj Yoga. But this particular transit of Saturn sitting in the seventh house will not be so great time marriage wise as well as the health of your partner, because Saturn is ruling your sixth house too. So when the Saturn is ruling the sixth house sitting in the seventh house, it has been noticed that it affect the health of your partner too. So during this time, you need to take care of the health of your partner, as well as marriage wise, it will not be so great time, because Saturn is getting the directional strength there sitting in the seventh house. So directional strength sitting in the seventh house means that you are going to get more stability in your life. You are going to become more emotionally mature. This placement will be good when it comes to the career, but this particular placement will not be so great marriage wise, because Saturn is a malefic planet. It's a dry planet, which is not at all good when it comes to the married life. So in the marriage life, you may see ups and downs. Great time for the people who are already in the love relationship and they are looking to get married to the loved ones. Then there is a very high possibility that within 2.5 years your marriage will be fixed and you are going to move forward and will get married to the one whom you are in love with. But for the people who are in a toxic relationship or who are not getting the commitment from their partner, then there is a high possibility of the breakup also during this time. For the people who are in the toxic relationship and they are struggling to get out of the relationship, for them also there is a high possibility they may proceed with a legal case, and successfully they will be able to get the divorce also during this time. This will not be so great time health wise. You need to be little bit conscious, because it is Saturn is going to aspect in your first house, which is going to directly directly affect your health, as well as it is going to affect your father's health also, because Saturn third aspect will be on your ninth house. So in that case, you need to take care of your health, as well as of your partner health, as well as of your father's health also during this time. But career wise, you may see some positivity. If you're looking for a job change, this will be a great time. Start taking actions. And it has been noticed for you, Saturn was sitting in your sixth house since last 2.5 years. You have learned lot of things in your life. You become more organized, more disciplined. So this is a time that you will be started getting the result. Your hard work will start it owners, this is a great time. This is a good time to start a new business. Expansion of business is also advisable, and try to go with the flow, because now Saturn is going to sit in your seventh house, which is going to give you good client associations, and will be you the income, the sources of income will also increase during this time. This is a time for the students also. This is a good time. You will be able to feel more focused, organized, disciplined, as well as if you are appearing in any competitive examination, there is a high possibility you will be able to clear it. But make sure, being it is Saturn, so you make sure you are putting the hard work also on it. Don't rely on your luck during this time. This is a time where you need to prioritize your mental health. If the moon or the Mercury is weak in your birth chart, then during this time it is going to impact you a lot on your mental health. Being Saturn is going to aspect in your first house, so you, it can give you the problem like over stress, overthinking, stress, or thinking without reason. Without reason, you will be having some pressure in your mind. So for that reason, you need to try to work on your mental health. Make sure during this 2.5 years you are regularly doing the meditation, you are writing down the gratitude book. Write down all the fears of your life, all the negative thoughts of your life, and burn it daily. This will help you out to remove the negative thoughts from your mind, and this will be going to help you out to overall happiness and well-being too. One thing that you need to take care of during this time is that you need to prioritize yourself a lot. Try to be more organized, try to be more in discipline, follow discipline, try to be more focused on your career, because this is great time career wise. Only that you need to start working as per the Saturn. Be more organized, disciplined, work with the integrity, and try to do remedies also for the Saturn. What all remedies you praying to your East Dev during this time. So for you, you should start praying to Lord Hanuman. As much as you pray to Lord Hanuman, you will see that your life problem will be solved. So try to wake up early in the morning, offer water to sun, standing in front of the sun, start chanting Hanuman Chalisa. This is going to help you out to remove your past life karmic blockages, and the day when your past life karmic blockages will become zero, Saturn will started giving you the positive results. So make sure that you are doing this. Along with this, if possible, then try to offer some cooked food to the needy every Saturday. This will also help you out to remove the negative effect of the Saturn transit on you. If you like the video, then make sure you are sharing this video with your loved one. And if you still have any questions related to Saturn transit in the Pisces, you can ask me in the comment. I will be happy to answer that. Thank you and have a great day ahead.